a light in the dark room. She smiles with her eyes and it holds you. In a moment you know that you'll never walk away. She's never been one to hold back. If there's something on your mind, you're gonna know that. And you're gonna wanna listen to everything she'll say. She's a bullet that's about to fire. She's the steady that'll keep you sane. If love's a fool, then I'm a liar. I know she's the only way. She sees colors that I can't see, and she knows me even when I don't. She knows where she goes, I will go, because I'm home where she. She's wild with leaves in autumn. The look toward home you've forgotten. She's on her side, you're never letting go. She's the power to save you, the only one who's got enough for you to break you. And when she fights with fire, she wraps around your soul. 'Cause I've never heard this touch before, the kind that taught me what my eyes were for. Every piece of her, I just want more. She's the one I can't ignore. She sees colors that I can't see, and she knows me even when I don't. She knows where she goes, I will go, because I'm home where she. You showed me lovely. You showed me lovely. You showed me lovely. You showed me lovely. Oh, she sees colors that I can't see, and she knows me even when I don't. She knows where she goes, I will go, because I'm home where she. Behold all the pieces of fortress that once stood. The canvas's colors can't hold like they once could. And listen to the growing sound of all I've known that bids me farewell. I saw the new horizon deep within your eyes as the autumn leaves fell. And I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. Oh, you broke me like the dawn breaks through the night. I didn't even know that it needed light. And I'm in love. What good are hands if there's nothing that they hold? And what good are hearts if you bury them all alone? Oh, everything I knew is turning into ruins in your shadow. And I thought that I'd be ready, but falling isn't steady once you let go. And I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love. In love. this string and pulled it through. Either end would lead to you, 'cause I'm in love.